Problem set 2, example number 15. A tank is filled completely in 2 hours. If both the taps are open. If both the taps are open, this tank has 2 taps. One is the larger one, another one is the smaller one. If both the taps are open at that time, within 2 hours, this tank will fill. Then, if only one tap is open, if only one tap is open at the given time, the smaller tap takes 3 hours more than the larger tap to fill the tank. Means, what is given that you have to see. When only one tap is open at that time, the smaller tap take 3 hours more. If this will take X hours, if this tap will take the X hours to fill the tank, at that time this required the time for X plus 3 hours. I will say that this required X plus 3 hours. Try to understand these things, whatever given in the problem, that you have to try to understand. This larger tap will take the time X hours to fill the tank alone. This smaller tap will require the 3 hours more alone to fill the tank, means 3 hours more means X plus 3 hours than the larger tap. And if both the taps are open at that time, that tank will fill within the 2 hours. Then what you have to find out, how much time does each tap take to fill the tank completely. Each tap will take how much time to fill the tank completely, that you have to find out. Means larger tap will require how much time to fill the tank completely, and the bigger tap, smaller tap will require how much time to fill the tank completely, that you have to find out. For that you have to consider the variable. So here I prepared one box. This is the example like work and wages, like that. If I will do the work, if I will do the one work in 3 days, at that time my one day work is equal to 1/3. If anybody will do the work in 10 days, at that time their one day work is equal to 1/10. In that way you have to solve this example. So here I prepared the chart. This is the tap. The larger tap alone can fill the tank. Time required the larger tap to fill the tank alone is X hours. The time required for the smaller tap alone to fill the tank is X plus 3. Whatever be the time required for the larger tap, this smaller tap required 3 hours more than the larger tap. And when both the taps are open at that time, that both the taps will fill the tank in 2 hours. Means this is the time required for the larger tap to fill the tank. This is the time required for the smaller tap to fill the tank. When both the taps are open, that time, both the taps are open, that time required to fill the tank is 2 hours. If this is the time required for the larger tap to fill the tank in X hours, at that time within 1 hour, you have to find out within 1 hour how much tank will fill this larger tap. So I will say that within 1 hour, this larger tap will fill 1/X part of the tank. Within 1 hour, this smaller tap will fill the 1/X plus 3 part of the tank. When both the taps are open, then within 1 hour, both the taps will fill the 1/2 part of the tank. Means this within 1 hour, this is the larger tap, fill the tank 1/X part of the tank. Smaller tap will fill 1/X plus 3 part of the tank. When both the taps are open at that time, both the taps within 1 hour will fill the 1/2 parts of the tank, means half part of the tank. Means how this half part will come, when this larger tap 1/X part will fill, smaller tap 1/X plus 3 part will fill. When this will combine together, at that time the half part of the tank will fill. 1/2 means half part. So once we will say that this is the part of the tank filled by the larger tap, part of the tank filled by the smaller tap, and when both the taps are open, that time the part filled by both the taps in 1 hour. All the taps fill the tank in one hour. How much part will fill? This is the larger tap, fill the tank in 1 hour. Smaller tap, fill the tank in 1 hour. Both the taps are open, that time within 1 hour, both the taps will fill half part of the tank. So you have to solve this example and you have to frame the quadratic equation. So do the cross multiplication. 1 multiplied by x plus 3, x multiplied by 1, and here x multiplied by x plus 3 you have to do. Cross multiplication you have to do. Then 1 multiplied by x is equal to x plus 3. 1 multiplied by x is equal to x. X into x is equal to x square. And x into 3 is equal to 3x is equal to 1 upon 2. Dx plus x is equal to 2x plus 3 upon x square plus 3x is equal to 1 upon 2. Transpose, shift the denominator. 2 will multiply with this 2x plus 3 and x square plus 3 will multiply with this 1. After multiplying with 2, 2 2s are 4x plus 2, 3s are 6 is equal to x square plus 3x. Transpose this 4x plus 6 that side, that become minus 4x minus 6. And after doing this addition, plus 3x minus 4x is equal to minus 1x. Then our quadratic equation becomes x square minus 1x minus 6. Then you have to do the product of the first term and the last term. By the factorization method you have to solve. Then x square multiplied by minus 6 is equal to minus 6x square. Factorize this minus 6x square such that the sum of the factors has to come the middle term. Middle term is minus 1x. Then minus 3x plus 2x is equal to minus 1x. So x square as it is you have to write. Minus 1x you have to write in the form minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Then you make the group of the first two terms and last two terms. Write the first two terms in the product form, last two terms in the product form. Then from the first two terms you have to take out x common. At that time x minus 3 is remain in the round bracket. From the last two terms you have to take out 2 common. X minus 3 is remain in the round bracket. Then for this step both the bracket has to come same and they are same. So x minus 3 will come common. That time x plus 2 you have to write in the another bracket. Then equate these factors with 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. This plus 3 becomes minus 3 plus 2 become minus 2. But the time cannot be negative. Therefore x is not equal to minus 2. Therefore time required for the larger tap. X hours they are required. Time required for the larger tap allowed to fill the tank is x hours is equal to 3 hours. And the time required for the smaller tap allowed to fill the tank is equal to x plus 3 hours is equal to 3 plus 3 hours is equal to, you have to say that 6 hours. I think you understand this problem. You have to write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.